Hi everyone, Keyless Entry here. Just doing a Lotto Lock Tuesday video. I've just got this ABUS Brady from Pocketwoman as a borrow. It's an ABUS Brady ABUS Red Body Black Shackle 7440. Okay, I think this 74. I think you put the wrong tag on there, Pocket One, because 7440 is actually this one here, which is with the dimensions you have here, 6.7 and 38mm referring to this one. So I'm not sure if you've got your tags mixed up with a different lock, but this one measures 32.5, the same as my ABUS Brady yellow ones, which I believe you did a video of today. So but mine's a kick format, where yours is a little bit different there. So I'm just gonna put it in the vise and try to give it a pick. I have been playing around with it today, so hopefully we'll get another open. So I'm just gonna use top of the keyway and just try to zoom in a little bit so you can get to see a bit better. So I'm just gonna try to use the little bit of warding up in here, which seems to work. Yep, just fine. And I'm just going to go in with a SS Dev deep hook and work from the bottom. And I was going to start from the beginning, I suppose. So pin 1, it's using light tension. Yeah, that's good. That's in there. So make sure it doesn't want to fall out. So pin 1 is binding. Okay, I think I've got a little bit of movement out of pin 1. Not much of a click, but movement. It's fine. Two maybe now. Alright. 3. No. 3 feels set, almost like I've set it. Doesn't got. Okay, I might have overset it there. Anyway. Go from the back now. Oh, okay, just bumped something, and I think I bumped 4 or 5 and it just flipped over a little bit there. So go from the back now. Still using light tension. Let's see what we get. A little bit of a click and movement there. 3, possibly 3 there, and feels like 2, but that might have been overset now. Okay, a little click out of 2 then, I think.
This is Tim. This is what he sells, and this is the new way Tim gets paid. Square Terminal.
Can't see now.
Finding a home can be hard enough. So at Credit Union SA, we go that little bit further.
Sorry, just got a bit of YouTube music going to keep me relaxed. Just touched something there, got a bit more movement. Got to really pay attention to these locks. Focus right in there. So I'm just going through the stack, feeling if I've missed anything. Okay, just hit 3 and we have an open. Okay, 4 minutes 20, that's not too bad. So I know you can gut these. There's a little tab inside of there. I'll just zoom out. There's a little tab just inside there. I just need a broken pick. Hold on 1 second. Right, so pinning tray. And this is the same way that my ABUS Brady's can be gutted, but mine have got a kick cylinder sort of shape to them. Yours has got that rounded bit on top. So it's inside there, and there. Okay, so we'll lock it back up. Yeah, lock it back up and remove the circuit. Okay. The clip is off and shim. So put a key in. Something's beeping at me. Ah, that's right. You can't shim these because these have got a little detent in there. Stop it rotating from more than 90. So what I might do is press that up and let it pass the 90. Or is it down? It's either up or down. Up. The tricky little things to gut. That should rotate now. I'm not sure that's not rotating. Maybe I need a thinner broken pick. I did have one lying around that got really thin, but I'm having a bit of trouble right now. There we go. So I'm just going to rotate till about there. So that part of the back rear of the plug sits above the driver pins. So when I put it in, maybe I can put the shim in now. The detent is going to be in the way. The detent won't let me put a shim in. Alright, let's go with a little follower and pray. Like this one here. Don't want to stuff this lock up because it's not mine, so I'll go slowly, and if I can't do it, I'll just leave it. No, it looks like that went well. Except I dropped a couple of keypins, which is no problem, I can put them back in. So far so good. So it looks like that was keeping 2. Yeah. So it's a 5-pinner. And that's, I've got focus down there. Yeah, it's just a 5-pinner. Pretty sure it's got all standard key pins and drivers. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the Bible, so that's the rear with the little detent. And that's the front, so we'll go from the front. And the tweezers, where'd you go? Here we go. Yeah, it's got the same style drivers as my one did, with the little recessed area. I'll show that on the close-up. Because the short Bible, the driver's actually hollow. Little springs. looks like these are balanced drivers of varying lengths to balance everything out. So the shorter key pins will have the longer drivers, and vice versa. More spring. I'll just get these straightened up. And I'll get the box for a bit of a close-up. Something's beeping again. So as you can see, got the key pins, all standard key pins, and these little drivers are hollow inside, as you can see. So the spring actually fits inside of each one, and they do vary in lengths to balance out everything. So you've got short little key pin with a longer driver, and short little driver with a longer key pin. So yeah. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.